How to install Java JDK. This video walks you through setting up the Java JDK on your computer so you can start coding. We are going to install Java JDK in just 3 simple steps. So, to do this, let's start with the first step, which is searching for Java 17 download. Before we can start writing Java code, we need to install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, on our system. Let's head over to a browser to grab the installer. Open up Google Chrome from your taskbar. Once the new window pops up, we're ready to search. In the search bar, type in your query for the Java 17 download and hit enter. We're specifically going for version 17 since it's a long-term support release, making it a solid choice for development. From the search results, go ahead and click on the top link, which should take you straight to the official Oracle page. With our search results displayed, we can now find the official source. Let's click on the first Oracle link to access the official Java Downloads page. To head over to the Oracle Downloads page, click on the first search result that links to the Java Archive downloads. Once the Oracle page loads, scroll down to find the available downloads. Keep scrolling, and you'll see download options listed for different operating systems like Linux, macOS, and Windows. Since we're setting this up on Windows, look for the Windows x64 installer in the list. We're now on the Java SE 17 Archive Downloads page. Let's scroll down to find and download the Windows x64 installer, since we're installing Java on a Windows machine. Since we're on Windows, grab the Windows x64 installer by clicking its download link. The download will kick off right away. You can open the Downloads panel to keep an eye on the progress until it's complete. The installer file has finished downloading to your system. Let's move on to launching the Setup Wizard by opening the downloaded file to begin the installation. To launch the Setup Wizard, click on the downloaded file once it finishes downloading. Go ahead and close the Downloads pop-up, then minimize the Chrome window. You'll see the Java SE Development Kit Setup Wizard appear on your desktop, ready for installation. The Setup Wizard is now open and ready to guide us through the installation. Let's move on to completing the installation process by following the wizard's prompts. To complete the installation process, kick things off by hitting the Next button in the Setup Wizard. The wizard will now show you the destination folder where Java will be installed. You can leave this as the default location, which is inside Program Files, and hit Next again to continue. The installation will kick in, and you'll see a progress bar filling up. Just give it a moment to copy all the necessary files onto your system. Once you see the complete message pop up, it means the JDK has been successfully installed on your machine. Go ahead and hit Close to wrap up the installer. Java JDK is now successfully installed on the system. Let's move on to the next step and open the command prompt to verify that Java is properly installed. To open the command prompt, let's start with a quick desktop refresh by right-clicking and selecting Refresh, just to make sure everything is up to date. Head over to the Windows Start menu icon on your taskbar and give it a click. In the search bar, type in CMD to find the command prompt application. Once it shows up in the results, go ahead and open command prompt. This is where we'll verify that Java was installed correctly. The command prompt is now open and ready for input, and compiler versions to confirm the JDK was installed correctly. To verify your installation, type Java version into the command prompt. This command checks whether the Java runtime is properly recognized by your system. Hit Enter, and you'll see the installed Java version details pop up. Next, start typing javac to check the compiler as well. Complete the command by typing javac version. This one confirms that the Java compiler, which you'll need to build your programs, is installed correctly. Press Enter to run it, and the compiler version will be displayed right below. Take a moment to review the output from the Java version command. If you see the version details listed here, it means JDK 17 is up and running on your machine. With everything verified, you can go ahead and close the command prompt by clicking the Close button in the top right corner. And that's it. You've checked both the Java and compiler versions, so everything is working. Java JDK is fully installed on your machine and ready to go. Have fun building your first project.